And now let's go live to our reporter Liu Jiaxin in Shanghai. Jiaxin, tell us more about the situation in Shanghai and how is the city government reacting to the new cases?
Yes, Mama. Indeed, Shanghai has reported 3 local transmissions of COVID-19 on Thursday. The news has sparked a concern among locals, especially when Spring Festival is just around the corner. But Zhang Wenhong, director of a Shanghai panel for COVID-19 treatment, said this afternoon that he's not surprised about the news, as there had been confirmed cases in many parts of the country as the winter progressed. Now, I've been to the press conference this afternoon with the latest information on the cases. Let's take a look.
With Chinese New Year just around the corner, nothing is making people more anxious than news of fresh COVID-19 cases. Parts of northern China have suffered outbreaks recently, and now Shanghai in the east has not been spared, with 3 local transmissions reported on Thursday afternoon.
At around 3 p.m. on January 20th, the affiliated cancer hospital of Fudan University found suspicious results in a 10-person mixed sample as part of its routine nucleic acid testing of the hospital's logistical staff. In the early morning of January 21st, the samples of case 1 were rechecked and the result was positive.
Case 1 refers to the person who first tested positive. A neighbor of case 1, a close contact who works at Shanghai Renji Hospital, has also been confirmed. The corresponding clinics at 2 hospitals have been closed, and major medical institutions in Shanghai have today started to carry out tests on all staff at hospitals. While the news is causing panic among locals, Zhang Wenhong, the director of the Shanghai panel overseeing the treatment of COVID-19, says he's confident the city is more than capable of controlling the spread of the virus.
Although some of the environmental samples around case 1 tested positive, they were not transmitted to others, indicating that people carefully washed their hands. Almost all close contacts of case 1 were negative, suggesting people were wearing masks. The lack of contagion means people are not gathering too much outside work. As the Spring Festival is approaching, I'm confident we'll have a peaceful holiday.
So more on the governmental release. 71 close contacts of the 3 confirmed cases in Shanghai have been traced, and 37 have tested negative in the first round, and the rest are being tested. Those people have now been isolated for medical observation, and their samples will be taken 24 hours later for re-examination. At the same time, environmental samples related to the cases were collected overnight, and 4 out of 661 samples tested positive, all related to the case 1, which refers to the person who first tested positive this time. And at the same time, the residential area where confirmed cases live in now becomes medium risk area. It is Zhao Tong Road in Shanghai's Huangpu district. So as you just heard from the news package, the expert asked the people not to panic and make precautions and keep the habit of washing hands and wearing masks, and also keep social distancing. Back to you, Mama.
Well, thanks so much, Liu Jiaxin in Shanghai.